Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly grocery haul and meal plan. Today is Saturday. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. I just went to Hy-Vee. I wanted to go to Aldi this week, but there's just so many things that I need that I can't get there. And I knew I wanted to go to Hy-Vee because they had some really good deals on pork roast and other stuff that I wanted to get. And I draw the line at 2 stores. Like, I don't mind going to 2 stores, but I'm not going to 3. So I decided to go to Walmart today. I'm going to try it and get in and get out. This place is nuts. I hate coming here on a Saturday, but anyway, I'm going to get it over with. And then when I get home, I will show you what is on the meal plan and what I got. Just a side note, if you've been watching my what I eat in a week videos, this is the week that I'm going to go back to low carb, and I will explain that in my next what I eat in a week video. So look for that if you're interested in that. All right, I'm going to go in here and get my stuff done. All right, so here's a look at everything I got. I spent about $50 at Hy-Vee and about $175 at Walmart, which was more than I wanted to spend at Walmart, but I got a few pairs of pants for Connor. And the stuff that I got from Hy-Vee is mixed in with everything, so I'll try to tell you what I got from where. So for produce, I got a bag of yellow onions. I was out of those. And then I also got a red onion for salads, and I want to make some Greek chopped salad this week, so I got one of those. I got 1 head of cauliflower. This was not looking too hot, but I tried to pick the best one that I could find. I also got 2 heads of broccoli for recipes this week, and then I also got some asparagus. I haven't bought this in a long time, and Connor just had his tonsils out, and so he needs to eat soft food, and I figured if I cooked this up until it was tender that he would be able to eat that with dinner. If I cut it up for him, he does like asparagus. I got some romaine hearts, so I will chop those up for salads this week. And then for a couple recipes, I got some green onions. I got 1 cucumber. I get one of these every week for salads and snacks. I stocked up on sour cream because I had a few recipes that I want to use it for. So these are actually on sale at Hy-Vee for 88 cents. So I grabbed one there, and then I grabbed one of the larger containers from Walmart as well. This is my favorite brand of cottage cheese. I don't know if you can get this outside of the Midwest because I think it's made here in the Midwest, so it's probably regional, but this is the Anderson-Erickson brand. It's the 4% cottage cheese, so I have a couple recipes that I want to use that for. I got some more of the garlic stir-in paste. Sometimes I get questions on this. I have started buying this now as opposed to chopping up fresh garlic. It's just so much easier. So in my Walmart, you can actually find this by the herbs in the produce section. They have a couple different kinds. They have like garlic and ginger and cilantro, but I always keep this in the fridge for recipes. I got Kira some blueberry Noosa yogurt. That is her favorite kind of that. This is the 4-pack, so they come with the little cups, 4 of them. I got 1 red pepper for a recipe this week. And then from Hy-Vee, this is the only place I've found locally that carries this Sola brand yogurt, but it's a lower sugar yogurt. It's kind of advertised as like a low carb yogurt, but I had a coupon for this, so I got 1 peach and 1 vanilla. I also got Connor 1 of the Yoplait orange. That's his favorite flavor of yogurt, and I figured it would be good for him to have right now. Hy-Vee had on sale their pork loins, so they were buy one get one free. So I believe they were either $7.99 or $8.99. So I actually got 2 for the price of 1. So I'm going to put one of these in the oven for tonight. This is the mesquite barbecue flavor, and then I'll probably just put the other one in the freezer. I got a dozen eggs. I also got Connor some of this cookies and cream pudding. He's had this before and he really likes it, and we're just kind of trying to find things that he can eat that don't hurt his throat. I got 1 container of whipping cream, 1 container of half and half, and then I also got some whipped cream. This we can use for Jell-O. We have some Jell-O cups in the fridge for him, or ice cream sundaes or strawberries or anything like that. Hy-Vee had their like brats and stuff on sausages on sale for $2.99. So I got one of the turkey, cheddar, and bacon smoked sausage and one of the smoked brats. So those will be for dinner one night this week. I got some more Kraft singles. We were almost out of those. One block of cream cheese, one package of sharp cheddar cheese. I got some feta. This is from Hy-Vee. This was a little bit pricey, but it's better to buy the chunk of feta and cut it up yourself. It just tastes so much better. So I got that to make a Greek salad this week. I got one block of sharp cheddar cheese and then some bacon for breakfast tomorrow. This is just the Great Value center cut bacon. I have never seen these at our Walmart before. I'm assuming these are comparable to the turkey sticks that I always get at Aldi, but since I didn't go there this week, I was looking to see if Walmart had something that was comparable, and these were a little bit more expensive than I usually get them for at Aldi, but I thought we would try them. So those can be for snacks and for Kira's lunches this week. I got some couscous, Adam's favorite grain. I got some pastaroni. This is the butter and herb kind. I figured that I would make this for Connor for dinner one night, and if he likes it, I'll get more. These are super quick to make, and he can have like soft cooked pasta right now. We are out of green olives, so I got a jar of those. I also got some of the water flavoring, or the Mio, I guess it's generic Mio. So I got strawberry, watermelon, and grape. This is my favorite one, the grape, because it's clear. And so if the kids use it and they squirt it all over the counter, they can't stain anything. I got some white vinegar. I was almost out of that. I was also almost out of canola oil spray, so I got that. These are on sale at Hy-Vee for like $1.88, so I got one of the roasted honey nut Skippy peanut butter. I got one package of Italian dressing mix. This is going to be for Italian beef this week. I'll make that in the crock pot. This was a good deal. So Hy-Vee had these new Natural Choice flatbread kits on sale, buy one get one free. So they were $3.99 for both of these. They were buy one get one free, and then they also had coupons on them for 75 cents off each. So I ended up getting these for, what would that be, $2.50 I think total. So this one is turkey and cheddar. It looks like it comes with the stuff to make the sandwich, and then some Snickers in there. And then this one is pepperoni and mozzarella. So I figured the kids could take those for lunches for school. I also got some light brown sugar. We were almost out of that. And then for a recipe, I actually have a recipe for buffalo chicken pizza that uses actually chicken breast for the actual crust of the pizza. So I got a 2-pack of this at Walmart to use for that. I got some bacon or these bacon pieces for recipes and salads. I got some ketchup. We were out of that. And then I was trying to find just plain chicken broth, but they didn't have any, so I ended up getting this chicken bone broth. I'm going to make soup this week one night, so that will be for that recipe. I also grabbed some Parmesan cheese. We were out of that. And some pepperoncini for the Italian beef. We're almost out of Nutella, and the kids like to have this with crepes or bananas or on sandwiches, so I got a jar of that. And then this is the Heinz mayonnaise. The only reason I bought this kind is because I had a $2 off coupon, so I ended up getting this from Hy-Vee for $3, which is not a bad price for mayo, for brand name mayo. I don't buy generic mayo. I got one can of green beans. I have another can in the pantry that we can use for dinner this week. And then one of the things that Connor has been able to eat has been cereal, as long as we let it sit in the bowl with some milk to let it soften up. So he requested some Reese's Puffs and some Cocoa Pebbles. So those are on sale at Hy-Vee. I got him those. For dinner one night this week for the kids, I got some egg noodles. And then I also wanted to try these Carb Balance Mission tortillas. I actually saw someone on Instagram that posted a picture of a quesadilla using these, and it looks really good, so I bought those. I got some tortilla chips, and then I also got one loaf of bread for sandwiches this week. And then we're also out of Bloody Mary mix, so I picked up a bottle of that. These I get at Walmart. I've been buying these for the kids' lunches. They're just the Fruit Shoot brand. They're basically 0-calorie flavored water, so They seem to like these for their lunches, and they're a little bit larger than a juice pouch. I got 1 box of cling wrap. We were out of that. Okay, so I also got some ball jars from Walmart. Adam actually made some homemade barbecue sauce, and it's over here cooling on the stove. It's really good. If he gives me the recipe, I will type it in the description box below. He's kind of protective of it, but anyway, we needed more jars for that. I grabbed Connor a couple of pairs of pants. It's getting colder now, and I'm not sure his pants from last year are going to fit. So I just got him some athletic pants and some khakis, so we'll try those on. I grabbed some Purex crystals for the laundry, and then Hy-Vee had soda on sale, 3 for $10. So I got a cream soda, or diet cream soda, diet cherry 7-Up, and diet Dr. Pepper. And then Connor also requested chocolate ice cream, so I got one of these big tubs to keep in the freezer, and then just some garlic bread for dinner this week. Okay, so the one other thing I got from Walmart was just some dog food, so that's boring. But then I also want to show you what I got from Grove this week in the mail. If you want to check it out, no pressure or anything, this isn't sponsored, but I always have a link to their store in the description box below. And the best thing about them is you can get the exclusive Mrs. Meyer's scents. I do not have a Target where I live. The closest one is like 45 minutes away. So it's always nice that I can get this stuff without having to drive to Target. And I'm also in the VIP membership, so every time shipping is free. So I got these reusable storage bags. These are like the gallon size ones. So I thought I would try these out for storing produce in the refrigerator. And then I got a set of the Mrs. Meyer's Mum scent, which is probably my favorite of their fall scents. I tried the pumpkin and did not like it. The apple cider I'm using right now, it's okay, but this is probably my favorite. So I got the set, which is the hand soap, the dish soap, the multi-surface spray, and then the candle as well. I also got some towels. I love these dish towels from them. I've been slowly trying to replace my old dish towels with these just because a lot of them are from many years ago when we first got married. And then these flour sack towels are basically like tea towels. They're good for drying dishes. So that pack comes with 3. This one just comes with 1. I also ordered some of the Caldrea Sweet Pea hand soap. This smells really good, so we'll use that in one of the bathrooms. And then this set came together as well. So the Mrs. Meyer's lavender body lotion and body wash and loofah. And then this is a new product. It's the Little Moon Aching Head Rub. It's basically for headaches, and I figured it would be good to either use for us or the kids. So I'll keep that in the medicine drawer. And then this is something new also. It is a konjac sponge. I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is what it says. Our konjac sponge with bamboo charcoal is a natural cleanser and exfoliator. So apparently you soak it with water and then you can use it in the shower. So I thought I'd try that. This I got free with my order. So it's the Yes to Coconut Energizing Coffee 2-in-1 Scrub and Cleanser Stick. So I will try that. And then the last thing I got was just this set of Mrs. Meyer's cleaners. So this is the vinegar gel cleaner, the baking soda cream cleanser. I use this to clean my sink. And then I believe this is the, this is the glass cleaner. So I haven't tried their glass cleaner yet. So I will try that out, and I'll let you know in another video what I think about that. Okay, so let me show you what we're planning on having for dinner this week. Today is Saturday. I'm going to make one of those pork tenderloins and some mac and cheese and green beans. Tomorrow, I figure we'll just eat whatever we can out of the fridge. We have some leftover lasagna, and then I have some curry sauce in the pantry that I need to use up, so I might make some chicken curry. I tried to find naan bread at Walmart, but they did not have it, so I'll probably just do rice instead. Monday, I'm going to make broccoli cheese soup and some noodles for the kids, and then cook up those sausages I got. On Tuesday, I'm going to make salmon and shrimp, couscous for the kids, and some cauliflower rice and some asparagus. On Wednesday, I'm going to make chicken with some homemade Alfredo sauce and some pasta and some broccoli. On Thursday, I'm going to make that Mississippi roast, which is basically like Italian beef, the cheesy cauliflower bake, and I have cottage cheese written down. Friday, I'm going to try to make that buffalo chicken crust pizza and then do some garlic bread pizza. For the kids, I can take off the hard crust and Connor can probably eat that in a salad. And then Saturday, I do not plan out that far. So thanks again for watching. I post a grocery haul and meal plan every Friday, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.